Preparing the license plate holder. There's two different methods. I don't want to make the holes bigger than what they are, so I am wrapping the threads to kind of work like Loctite in a situation where you cannot use Loctite at all. And so that was my thinking, and it looks like it's going to work out pretty good. There's another way to go about it, and that is you get a small plastic wall anchor and you put it into the hole. And that would be the most quickest, easiest way to do it. And maybe I should do a video just demonstrating that. Alright, no further ado, check out the video. Look forward to hearing from you. Just wrapped this here, okay? And I'm going to wrap it a little bit more, and we'll show you how this works. Okay, I have got this problem. Alright, the holes kind of wore out here a little bit, and I happen to have some very thin electrical tape. Alright, I was going to use plumber's tape, but it's a little too light. And even if you don't have any of this narrow stuff, remember the bumper is about, a quarter-inch thick. Maybe a little less. Alright, so I'm going to take this back here. I'm going to focus on the back side, right up against this nut here. Alright, right on the back here I'm going to focus. Okay, I'm going to put this on here. Now, got it built up pretty good. Alright. Let you see what I'm looking at here. Okay, I've got it built up pretty good. So let's see how well this is going to work. Okay. All right, now. Okay, and that's going in really pretty good. Let's see. How that's going to work. Okay. A little more. Okay, now this other side's loose, and we're gonna take out this other side and do the same thing. All right. Okay, some of you probably saw this coming. I got it too thick. All right, so I'm going to show you the solution to this, because I have to redo it. Okay, now I have this rewrapped. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take my fingernail, I'm going to push down in the groove. Alright, I'm going to get it started. Alright, just like if it was screwing in there. Alright, and this will then grab the edges, okay, of the bumper there in that hole, and it will thread itself in without bunching up. Okay, and so that's what I'm doing. I'm forcing my nail down in there. Alright, so I'm cutting the groove in so that it doesn't bunch up. Okay, all the way back. Now this should work well. It should stay tight, feel tight all the way back, and it'll eliminate the vibration and falling out. Now this is like Loctite in the sense in how it's going to work. Alright, don't know if you can see this hole here, but it's reamed out pretty good. All right. Get this pushed through here, lined up with that hole over there. All right. Thread in. Okay, getting her done. Okay, now, if this doesn't hold, I will get some of those little plastic wall anchors that expand in the wall, and I'll put those through the holes, and I'll tighten them down. It's probably what I should have done this time around, but I needed to get this done so I could go to town, because you have to have a front bumper license plate on your bumper here in California. So that's what I'll be doing next. If this doesn't hold, it should be fine. It's pretty solid. And so if you happen to have holes that are too big, get the plastic wall anchors, put it through the hole, and then screw your screw into it, and it'll bite down and be good. So all right, have a great day. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, like it, share if you think it's good enough, comment, and if you have a YouTube channel, I'd look forward to getting to know you and your channel and your content. United we stand, united we're making it happen. So have a great day. God bless. Bye for now. And never give up, because there's always a way. Easy 2 tips and tricks. ECT, ECT. See you on the next one.